Derek Mensah, an SHS graduate.
Can you speak a bit slowly and clearly?
Yeah, SHS graduate. Please, I want to convert into Muslim. I have been very impressed with your lectures, and I like it to become.
MashaAllah, you have been hearing my lectures, you want to accept Islam.
Yes, please.
Do you believe that there is one God?
Yeah, I believe that.
Do you believe that Jesus is God?
Yeah, I believe that.
Do you believe Jesus is God?
No, I believe he's the messenger.
Do you
of God.
believe Prophet Muhammad is the messenger of God?
Yeah, I believe that.
Is anyone forcing you to accept Islam?
No.
You're doing out of your own free will?
Yeah, my own.
You have been hearing my lectures on the television?
Yeah.
On Peace TV?
Yeah, please.
Since how long?
Going to 5 years more.
5 years?
Yeah.
MashaAllah, I did not know that there's a Christian in Ghana, in Kumasi, who's hearing my lectures. MashaAllah. May Allah guide you more. Is anyone forcing you to accept Islam?
Oh, no.
You're doing out of your own free will?
Yeah.
I'll say it in Arabic and you can repeat it. Ashhadu
Ashhadu
Allah
Allah
ilaha
ilaha
illallah
illallah
wa ashhadu
wa ashhadu
anna
anna
Muhammadan
Muhammadan
abduhu
abduhu
wa rasuluhu.
wa rasuluhu.
I bear witness
I bear witness.
there is none worthy of worship
There's one Lord was worship
except Allah,
except Allah,
and I bear witness
and I bear witness
that
that
Prophet Muhammad
Prophet Muhammad
is the messenger
is the messenger
and servant of Allah.
Servant of Allah.
Takbir! 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 MashaAllah, may Allah grant you Jannah. May He give you the good in this world and thereafter. I would like to give you a copy of the glorious Quran, the translation.